Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will be recreating this meal you see right here. So I'm here at Publix. I just need 3 things, so I am going to pick that up, go home and recreate this meal. I am going to change it a little bit. You guys are going to see how. Instead of making mashed potatoes, I'm going to get little, I guess they're parsley and garlic potatoes. And yeah, I think that's going to be the only change that I'm going to make to this meal, because I am going to get the Brussels sprouts and I am going to get 1 pound of the ground turkey. I'm using turkey, not ground beef, and all of the spices that it says on the recipe. So I actually got 5 things because I forgot that I have to make a banana bread for Wednesday. So tomorrow night I have to make a banana bread. And for the banana bread I needed bananas and some cream cheese. So 5 things, and all 5 things only cost me $18. Oh, sad face. This makes me very, very sad. Okay, so here we are. I am going to start, the first thing that I'm going to start with is I'm going to cut up the Brussels sprouts and put them in the oven at 400 for about 25 minutes. And I'm telling you guys, I pretty much guarantee you that nobody will be eating Brussels sprouts tonight, because that's just how the ball rolls in my house. Another thing, I don't know if you guys can notice, but my batteries are starting to die. I'm getting very, very tired, and the more tired I get, the less I feel like cooking. So now I'm going to drizzle the Brussels sprouts with some olive oil and sprinkle some salt and pepper on them. And into the oven they go. You guys like my little cup? It says, "It's not really drinking alone if the dog is home." It's actually apple juice in here, not wine. So to this ground beef, we're going to add some salt, some pepper, some breadcrumbs. These are panko breadcrumbs. Thyme, only half of this garlic. So I'm gonna eyeball it. And a tablespoon of chicken stock. Now the recipe calls for beef broth, but since I'm using turkey and I don't have beef broth, because I'm still kind of trying to use the stuff I have in my pantry and refrigerator. I am using chicken stock. I'm sure it will be just as delicious, especially that this is turkey, not beef. I was looking for my gloves because I hate it when the meat gets underneath my nails, and because of my nails I made a hole in them. So alright, so this looks like it's pretty well mixed. We are going to break it in half, just like that. You see, half, more or less. Alrighty guys, so this is what the meat loaves are looking like. I am going to end this vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.